Oh my goodness, guys. This is amazing. This is called Straight Chic by Raquel Welch in my favorite color, Shaded Biscuit, 1923 SS. Oh my gosh, check this out. This is straight out of the box. Put it on and I didn't even shake it. I didn't comb it. It's just this pretty. Let me show you the back. Right? Oh my gosh. I think I have a brand new favorite, especially for summer. This is comfortable. The cap is amazing. Let's take it off and you can see the inside of the cap. This is, let's see, a little bit of, yep, a lace front here. So this is going to give the illusion of the hair coming out of your scalp. You can see my finger underneath there. It just goes really nicely on my forehead. And then we've got an open weft, which is going to be really cool for summer. It's also got this little crown part right here that's kind of see-through. So this will give the illusion of it also coming out of your scalp. Soft velvet ear tabs. And the nape of the neck is also soft, and we can adjust it back here. Now, the one thing I love about Raquel Welch is that we can look at the color. If you don't remember what the color is, you can look here on the back and it has the color number, which I think I'll go into a bit later on another video. But for now, this is Straight Chic. My goodness, usually I shake her when she comes out of the box. I just put her on. So let's do that again. Let's put her back on. And you can see how easy. Oh my goodness. Perfect. This one is in it's called Straight Chic, and it's in a petite average, and it fits me like a glove. It's just perfect. Look at this. Look at the hairline. So I suppose if you wanted to pump it up like this, you could. Oh, look at this. You can go nuts, right? And get crazy. Or I'm more of a kind of tailored girl. I like it to be more like this. But how pretty is this? Shaded Biscuit. My goodness, just so. This is me. My goodness. Love, love. Let me know your thoughts. Straight Chic, Raquel Welch, Shaded Biscuit.